Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make a simple bar chart where we are going to display the coronavirus data and we are going to use the library Chart.js. So let us start the project. We go to Google Chrome. So this is the API that we are going to use, and let us go to our index Visual Studio Code and let us create the file index.html and index.javascript and index.css. Let us go to index.html and we write doc, and we have the HTML body, and then we write here the link which will connect our style sheet, and the name of the file is index.css, and then we have the script tag which will connect to our JavaScript file. src is equal to index.js, and then we need our Chart.js library, Chart.js CDN. Okay, I have not connected to the internet, sorry about that. Okay, here it is. We need this, and then we paste it over here. So this is the Chart.js 3.5.1. Now let us start a project. We need a canvas. We give an ID of bar chart, sorry about that, and then we give it a width, styling width of 100%. okay, so now let us go to our index.js. We'll apply the style if it is necessary, but for now let's go to our fetch API. So this fetch API, we are going to bring this data over here. So this is 6 continents data: North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia. So we're going to get this link over here, and from here we're going to get this total cases. That is the one we are gonna try to put it. And now let us just put it over here, and then we are going to get a response, and if we get a response we convert into JSON, and after that we are just going to print the data in the console just to check that it is working. So now let us run the live server, open live server. Okay, here it is, inspect console. Yeah, we have the 6 array. Okay, it's working. Now the next thing is that we are going to connect to our Chartjs. So now let us go to Chart.js Documentation, and we are going to go to the let us go to the original Chart.js Documentation, and here it is, general. We need the type of chart is bar chart, and we are going to simply display something like this. So let us just look at the way how to display it. So let us look at the setup. Okay, now let us there are many ways to do it, so I prefer to do it simply like this: new chart, and the ID of the chart is bar chart, and this is coming from our index.html bar chart. And then this is a syntax. Here in this object we are going to put our these things over here. So first of all we are going to put a labels. So this labels represents an array. I'm going to put the 6 continents, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for now this is a dummy data, and then we are going to put the original data from this URL API. And now let us go to data sets. Okay, this is, we are looking at the syntax over here, and then here it is. So we have the label, so I'm gonna put the label as total cases. Yeah, and then the next thing is the data. For now we are just going to put the fake dummy data over here. I don't know how many things are here, but if I will try to make it not more than 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, because there are 6 continents. This is a fake dummy data for now. And then we have the background color. We're just gonna put this fake data. I think we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'm trying to put it 6 because here we have around 6 continents. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's the reason I'm making it 6. And the border color is up to you whether you want to put, so I'll just put it border color for now. Makes it looks good. So here it is. Okay, so I'll just format this one. Okay, done. The rest of the things are optional, so let's go to the next part. And then okay, so this wait a minute. Okay, so we have this data over here, and then we have to put all these things inside this data. Okay, sorry about that. We can just correct it. And then I hope, where is the syntax? Okay, here is the syntax. Yeah, and we have to classify what is the type of this chart. Type, this is a bar chart. Yeah, and then we have another one which is known as options, so we'll just look at it later on if it is necessary. Now let us run the server. Okay, our server is already running. Okay, invalid shortcut initializer, so we have done something mistake over here. Oh yeah, so it's working. Okay, these are all the fake dummy data. We're going to replace with the original data over here. So now let us just create a function about that. So I'm going to create a function called function corona covid count and the data, and this data will be coming from here. So I'll just replace this console.log with covid data, and then here I'm gonna run a loop for let I in data. So console.log I, so this I will represent the index number, I believe. Yeah, 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? So we are going to get this cases and continent. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 will be replaced by North America, South America, Asia, Europe. So let us look here. So in order to get this, I need to do data I first index, since this is an array. Okay, array of objects. Array of objects, and then we are going to get cases. So if I write the cases, let's see, we get all the cases. So now let us just push the cases inside an array called total cases and continent. Okay, so I'm gonna push this total cases dot push, and I'm gonna replace this data with here, which is known as total cases. And then let's do again console.log. Here it will be data I dot continent, this continent over here. Okay, now let us see here. Okay, so what is saying here? Total cases is not defined. Maybe I have done some spelling mistake. Total cases, yeah, total cases. Oh yeah, I need to put this, I need to hold this thing inside the function. Sorry, that is why it is not defined, because it is outside the scope. Okay, so here it is inside the scope of this function. Now it will work. Yeah, now we have North America, Asia, South America for this thing, and we're gonna do the same thing over here, continents dot push, and we're gonna replace this with continents. Here it is. So we have North America, Asia, everything properly given, and we have, okay, I hope the border is properly visible, and yeah, you can see a little bit small but not clear. 28,000 something, 285,000. Yeah, so 6 million. What is this? 62 million, 38 million. Okay, this is how we represent the data total cases. You can see over here Asia, North America, Asia represents the highest. Now we can also change the format into vertical, horizontal format. So if we scroll down, we may see something given over here. So yeah, we're gonna represent like this. So we need to just write options index y, index axis y. So let us just write index axis. You may need to install a plugin in Visual Studio Code. If we find this over here, we make it for Chart.js plugin, and it may give some support to our Visual Studio Code, right? Yeah, I think it can give some support if it is possible. I just installed it. I have not used it, but Visual Studio Code has a lot of extensions. Probably there should be some extensions for us. Okay, here it is coming like this. So in this way we can do a lot of things, and I think we can end the video for now. I hope you are able to understand what we can do. So this is a short video. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll be uploading a lot more videos based on JavaScript, web development, React.js, Node.js. Thank you. Have a nice day.